is up, everyone? It is me, Mr. Friday, and I'm heading out to work today. Today's going to be a good day because Super Street's going to be there for their summer pop-up meet. They're going to be partnered up with Turn 14, I believe. But my car is finished. What I did was I did a just a finish on it. I didn't put any wax or a sealer, but I did this. I just put a wet mirror finish on the car, and this is how it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Very nice. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. She looks good. Need to get to work. Need to make sure I have a parking spot so at least I can park and be at work and not have to look for parking. So yeah, hopefully in a little bit. And we also have some big news that's getting announced today for Speed Vegas. So get you in the car, hear some turbo noises, and away we go. Here we are, MR2, Buddy Jerome's Genesis, pretty freaking sick. And apparently, no one's here yet, so that's a good thing. But I got my MR2 here, got people setting up, looks like there's a couple of cars out there already. Let's go inside and do some work. All right, work time. What's up, guys? Got Daniel, Sarah, Jerome, Super Street. Look at all these people. Look at all these people. Holy shit.
We're COVID healthy.
Holy shit. We're gonna get shut down. We're gonna get shut down. But yeah, here we go. We got a whole bunch of cars right now. I have a little bit of time to kind of stroll around until we start driving. Because here I am, Mr. Friday, helmet. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh yeah, and I got my way in the corral, the little corral with Jerome's car. And yeah, like I said, I'm using my phone because I don't want to bring my camera. Whole bunch of cars. Look at this little guy. Look at that little guy. This is sick. I like this. Daniel, where's yours? There it is. I see it.
It's Kuma.
Oh, you suck. You can't get out until everyone leaves.
That's why I told her to bring her car.
Yeah, we could move ours. Look at all these cars. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting back in. I'm gonna start heading back into the room or back in the building because I need to start to work. Ooh, and there's a shit ton of people out here. Shit ton of people. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is, yeah, I think we're gonna get shut down right at 4. I think we're gonna get shut down, just to be honest. So at least my car's here. At least my car's here.
And mine.
And Jerome.
We made it.
We made it. What's up, guys? I got Sam. Remember Sam? He was in that Fuku burger meat, everything like that. I'm actually taking him out in the GT3RS. It's gonna be exciting. We're gonna go fast. He might scare himself, but if not, we're definitely gonna have some fun. You ready, Sam?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready.
All right, Sam. Well, other than that, these mirrors are going to be set for me. That way I can see behind us. You're more focusing on the track, looking through the corners, looking where you want to go. Be nice and smooth with all our gas pedal. Third, stay in third gear. No more shifting. Stay on the gas. Stay in the middle of the track. Keep giving it gas. You're going to see a big orange cone. Drive to that big orange cone. Keep going. And light brake. Towards the orange. Towards the orange. Towards the orange. Keep it wide. Drive to the blue. Look to the left. Get to that green. Turn a little bit more. Get to that green cone. Keep giving it some gas. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle, middle. Stay in the middle. Look to the right. Get to this green cone on that right side. Nice and tight to the green. Keep squeezing on power. Turn left. Get to this green. Green to the right. Keep looking ahead, okay? Drive to that blue cone ahead. Stay on the gas. A little bit off the gas. Back on the gas. A little bit of gas. Nice and tight to the right. Hold the right. Yeah, and brake. Brake. Now coast, turn sharp left, get to this green, a little bit of gas, green to the right. Stay committed on the gas, green to the left, keep looking ahead. Green to the right, keep giving you gas, stay committed. Just these straight lines, and brake to the blue. Nope, one brake in a straight line, get to this green, get to the green. There's no middle line anymore. This is all your lane. Drive to that blue cone straight ahead, keep going, and brake. Hold that brake, now coast, turn sharp left, get to this green, look down that straight, accelerate out to the right. All the gas you want to give it. Keep going, Sam. Stay on it. Upshift. Stay in the middle. Stay on the gas. Move left. Stay on the gas. Upshift. Stay on it. Hard brake. A little bit harder. Harder. Left hand downshift. Harder on the brakes. Coast. Turn right. A little bit of gas. Not a little bit of gas. Tight to the right. Tight to the left. Look ahead. Look through the corners. Keep driving. Drive to that orange cone again. Drive to that orange and brake. Towards the orange. Coast it, keep trail it, look to the left, get to that green. Turn a little bit more. Now you can add the gas. Right in the middle. Try not to force it, just kind of open up their hands, let the car do its thing. Now turn left. Accelerate out to the right. Use all the track. There you go, drive to that blue. Good. Just maintain the speed. Drive to that blue. And brake. Hard brake, hold it, now coast, turn sharp left, get to this green, a little bit of gas, get to this green, add some more gas, get to the green left, keep adding gas, get to the green to the right, drive straight to the gas, drive straight to that blue, and brake, and coast, turn right, a little bit of gas, get to the green, add a little bit of gas, green to the left, keep giving it gas, drive to that blue cone, and brake, hold that brake, and coast, turn sharper left, look down that straight, accelerate out to the right, there you go,
This thing corner is so good.
Get in the middle, stay in the middle. Stay on that gas. Upshift. Move to the left, stay on that gas. Upshift. Hard brake. There you go, hold that brake. A little bit harder. Harder brake. One more downshift. Hold that brake. Now we can coast. Back on the gas, tight to the left. Accelerate out to the right. Keep giving you gas, drive to that orange cone. Keep going to that orange. And brake. Hold that brake, drive to the blue. And brake. Let's cool it down now, nice and easy. Sam, look to the left, get to that green. How was that?
Good, amazing.
All right, I'm gonna give you 2 laps with. All right, Sam.
Yep.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Slick today. You got me all tired. The tires are all greasy. This is where you can stay committed at. This is how we take this corner nice and wide, so we were able to get on power here, get to that apex, right in the center, looking to the right, get nice and tight to this green cone, and then we can get over to the left side, and then we can get on that power using all that track. showing people that we can do ride-alongs. So it's not for me. It's for everyone to see that we can do ride-alongs.
Of course.
There we go, and that's the 2 laps in there. This car is amazing, isn't it?
It feels really, really good.
I didn't get you sick, did I?
Nah.
All right, everyone. Well, that is it. Super Street is all done. Sorry I didn't do a lot of video. I was working like a dog. So basically, Jerome right over here, Jerome, he's gonna be out with his Genesis. I got myself my MR2. We're gonna head on out. There was a ton of people, a great turnout. But other than that, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Till next time, if you can, like, comment, subscribe. Like you saw, I brought one of my buddies out too on the track. He was excited. So other than that, see you next time for next Friday for Mr. Friday's extravaganza, whatever it is. So I'll talk to you later. Peace out.